For the next 10 days, Best Buy will be having a sale on their video games. Each day throughout that 10-day period, one game will be going on sale for $10. Does that mean that this video will take 10 days to make? Yes, it does. But that just goes to show how dedicated this channel is to getting deals and to getting some video games. So if you are into this type of content, make sure you leave a like, maybe comment something down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that post notification bell. So today is day 1. That means we are gonna go ahead and get our first game. Just ran into our very first problem of the day. This would not be a cheap finds gold mines video if there was not at least one issue. Looked on the Best Buy website and I even called them to make sure that this video game was available. It wasn't, okay? It was all sold out already. Don't know how. Thought we were up early enough. We weren't. But there is a quick fix to this. If you don't know already, Target will actually price match within a 25-mile radius of their store. Because Best Buy is literally 20 feet away from this Target, we will be able to price match. If you are curious as to what today's video game is, you will just have to wait and see. Alrighty guys, just got to Target. Obviously had to get some Starbucks. There is a built-in Starbucks into this place. It's fantastic. Now I'm gonna go through the Xbox and the PlayStation aisle to see if we can find this game. Okay. Now this one right here, and they do have it in stock in the back.
You can pull it.
Definitely. Oh yeah, I can. Look at that. So I can definitely pick one of those bad boys up. Now let's go check the Xbox. I'm not sure what the limit is, guys, so I'm gonna grab as many as I can without making anybody upset. So. All right. Okay. Cool. Awesome. So this is right here, and then there is 2 in the back right there. So hopefully I can grab both of them. If not, it is worthless. So I'm not going to record the actual checking out process because they will be more likely to deny me the games, but I will take a video or a little screen grab of the total. Target was a bust. They refused to price match for us, so that sucks. We went a few stores down to Best Buy and decided to look, and look what they have. Call of Duty Vanguard, Xbox One, $9. Was $59.99. So you're supposed to take this box up to them and they should be able to grab the game. If they don't have it, we're probably just gonna order it because $10 for the game, it's worth it, in my opinion. All right, just left Best Buy with nothing. I had the right Call of Duty Vanguard version, but they only had the Series X version, bestseller, whatever. So because the numbers didn't match up, we were not able to get the game today. Very annoyed. Try again tomorrow. So this is what we got. This Back 4 Blood came with a free steelbook case. How freaking cool is that?
Sealed.
And they're both sealed. I mean, is the seal minty on this steelbook? No, but it's a seal nonetheless. This together was $9.99. So this was $9.99, this was free. Together, $9.99. $10. And then we got 2 of these Borderland steelbook cases. Look. Oh my gosh. For $3.99 each. The total came up to be $19.23. Total savings, $41.99. Wow. Guys, just watch our channel and you'll learn how to get stuff for the logo. So we actually got here 45 minutes after they opened, thinking that that might be enough time. No, it almost wasn't, because they only had 1 copy left for Back 4 Blood. I'm glad that we were able to get at least 1, but I wanted to get the limit, which was 3, because that would have been sick. Today is day number 5 of 10 games, 10 days, and $10. We decided to get smart and just start pre-ordering these darn games because we have gone to Best Buy and they didn't have the games before, so last night we pre-ordered it. Now we're gonna go and pick up the stinking game. So last year, whenever this type of stuff went down, there was barely any competition. And now this year, I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's more advertisement, or maybe there's just more resellers in our area. Last year, we did not pre-order anything because we didn't have to. And now this year, we have learned we have to pre-order every single game that comes out on clearance. or else we're not gonna get any. If you would like to see this type of stuff go down live, make sure to go ahead and follow our Instagram at cheapfinds.goldmines. You can find that right here or in the description below. And any type of clearance deals that goes on, we post immediately. As soon as we find out about them, we post it. If there's any Walmart clearance, GameStop, Best Buy, Target, you name it, if there's clearance, we got you. So make sure you follow our Instagram.
As you all already know, it's day 5. We just picked up Watch Dogs, plural, Legion for the Xbox Series X, also compatible with Xbox One. Again, paid $10 for this. I don't think I've actually played this game. It looks kind of cool. We've grabbed a few copies. We're gonna keep some sealed, and then we'll probably bust one open and actually play it and test it out. But again, $10 pickup, you can't beat it. Today's game was the Sims 4 bundle. I think it's like the Island Paradise bundle, marked down from $39 to $10. We actually already have a copy of that sealed. We got it at a pawn shop for like $3, so we're not gonna buy that. But Best Buy had a little flash sale, and I picked up 2 copies of Need for Speed Payback for the Xbox One for $5 a piece. And then I finally got in our Destroy All Humans copy. Again, I think we paid like $9 or $10 for the sealed. So tomorrow should be a pretty big pickup. We should have like 5-6 games coming in. And then of course Friday we have a bunch of steelbooks coming in and some more games. So stay tuned. This is a game I have a feeling is gonna go up in value one day.
It could. It's a good game.
Cause like Jaws, they're not making any more Jaws games. So like, that's the closest thing you'll get. This is $20 off.
Nice.
This should be like free.
Pretty much.
That's one you definitely don't see a lot.
I know, this one's freaking gorgeous. I love it.
See, bro, I wish games like this were on Xbox.
Heard that.
Look, you just go around killing people in different ways.
And there she is. So Corbin already went through and he pre-ordered every single Fortnite for each console. As you can see, $10 here was $19.99. Not an insane discount, but it is what it is.
Best Buy also has some clearance deals on their action figures. So right here, this was originally $23. Now it's $10.99. Save 4, it's not anything clearance really. Another save $15 on these Marvel Legends series. I'm not really too educated on those. Save 2, save 4, so nothing too crazy, but these are pretty good deals if you're into that kind of thing. Over 50% off. We grabbed 1 copy for each system, so we got Fortnite Minty Legends Pack for the Switch. This is game card, not included. So this is strictly a download code, is all this is, but it's still, you know, it'll go to the collection. Then we got, again, same game for the Xbox One and Series X. PS5 variant. Now this one's actually worth like $30 right now, sealed. So that's a, you know, if you wanted to, you can go and just buy several copies and resell it and make your money back. And then a PS4 copy. 4 copies of the same game, all different systems. Again, $10 a piece is not bad. And we love using Best Buy clearance, Walmart clearance, whatever kind of clearance we can find to build our sealed collection, because obviously we don't like paying retail. We got these Doom steel cases here for $3 a piece. And then we got all of these for $5 a piece. We've got Space Hulk, we have Zombieland Double Tap, and then we have Crash Team Racing. We got all of these snipers for $10 a piece. We have 2 for the Xbox One and 1 for the PS4. This is the unlimited edition. And these actually have pretty good resale value. They go for about $30 to $35 sealed. We just picked this bad boy up from the store after pre-ordering it. She's pretty. And it wasn't a huge discount because it was originally $19.99. I believe it could have been $29.99. I have no idea. I'll stick a screenshot in there because I'm not positive.
It's finally day 10, the final day of the Best Buy video game clearance. And I know today's game is not great, as you can see right here. It is FIFA 22 for the PS5 for $10. Now hold on, I know you're thinking, oh, FIFA sucks, whatever. You're right. However, GameStop is actually taking in that game for $23 trading credit. That means if you go and buy 3 copies of FIFA 22 for the PS5 for $10 a piece, you spend $30, you then can trade it into GameStop for $60 plus. So you can technically get a brand new game for half price, which is, I mean, that's a decent deal. So here are the 2 stacks we got. Surprisingly, there's only 1 Switch game that had a special deal on it. This stuff is not easy to come by. 1 a.m. Eastern time is when Best Buy uploads the newest day. So if you want to guarantee you a copy of one of these clearance games, you need to get on at 1 a.m., check the game, and immediately order it, add it to cart, go do store pickup. And I would also get to Best Buy at 10 a.m. when they open and try to go buy a physical copy before they pull it for your order. So that way you'll be guaranteed an order to be sent to you, and you have a better chance of getting a physical copy immediately the same day. Hopefully you learned something. Again, follow us on Instagram, people. We update these deals the second we hear about it. We put it to our story. All of our followers get to see it. And yeah, subscribe. Might as well, you know? And as always, guys, we'll be chatting.